Okay, it's been a while I did this lesson. This is the third time I'm doing it, so I will take my time to explain it detailed because I still have questions on this same topic about chord substitution. That is 13th and minor major 7th chords. So it's only 2 chords, so take notes. That is the tritone chord substitution. When we say tritone, I've already explained that, but let me go slowly. This is C. The 5th string here, 5th string on the 3rd fret, that is C. This is a tone. When we say tone, this is semitone, this is tone, another tone. So you see, this is 1 tone, 2 tone. So here, this is the tritone or the 3 tone. Let me use it, the 3rd tone, 1 tone, 2 tone, 3 tone. So take a look at it. The same way if we are on the F sharp, so C tritone is the F sharp note. The same way if we are on the F sharp, we are playing F sharp, you go to 1 tone, 2 tone, the tritone will rest on the C, the same C. So it cuts across. So when we say C, this is C. And here I use C minor major 7. That's why I say we are using only 2 chords. So write it down. Take pen and paper and write it, because sometimes it seems I always go back to the lessons that I've done before. So this one, it will be the last lesson on the tritone chord substitution. So this is C. The meaning of tritone, that is the meaning. So we substitute something on the F sharp for the C. It's the same thing. Or we play here. This C minor major 7. C, do, mi, do, mi. That's tone, ma. That's C minor major 7th. When we play only the F sharp note here, you bear witness with me that F sharp is the tritone of C and C is the tritone of F sharp. It cuts across. So when we play this one here, that's C minor major 7. This is C major 7th and minor, C minor. This is the C minor note, the note that making the chord minor. So we have this C minor major 7. So write it down. Do, mi, do, ma. Do, mi, do, and more. More is E flat. Do is B flat. Mi is E. Do is C. Making the chord like this. So here we remove only the C here and play F sharp, making the chord like this. If we play only 1 note difference here, it has become F sharp 13th. Write it down. So this is F sharp, E, B flat, and E flat. Write it down, because I will never teach this lesson again. F sharp, E, B flat, E flat, making the chord F sharp 13th. So when we play Do chord, You see, or the same way we come to F sharp here. This is F sharp minor major 7th, the same as C minor major 7th here. This is F sharp minor major 7th. When we play the same technique, I mean the style we did here. C, F sharp. Here is F sharp, C. It cuts across, so the same in terms of chord substitution. So whenever we play, we can play, it sounds the same technically. Or let's see C13 here, or F sharp minor major 7th. In the last video you said it was a live, so the video wasn't good in vision. So here C minor major 7th, F sharp minor major 7th. The F sharp minor major 7th is F sharp, B flat, E, and A. That's chord substitution. So when we play the 13th, we will not play the second string because that one we've removed the note from that note, that string. So it has become like this. So either we play it this way, or we can play it like this, but we will not play the fifth string. So do, and a substitute, that is do, la. So when we play here F sharp 13th, we move straight to A 13th, or we play it this way. Take note, do, la. So when we play la, we play its substitute. Because you bear witness with me, A13. If we put only this one, it has become E flat minor major 7th. So again, do, substitute, that's F sharp 13th. A, that is la, A13 is la. Substitute, that is E minor major 7th, E flat minor major 7th. You see, so we are playing the leading do, la, re, so, do, la, re, so. Again, substitute, la, re, la, substitute. Then we move to re, so, and a substitute. So let's go again. Do, la, so do, la, re, so is the main notes we are playing. Do, la, re, so, do, la, re, so. You see, do, la, re, so, do, la, re, so. You see, do, substitute, la, substitute, re, substitute, so, substitute, then back to do. So write it down. Do, substitute, F sharp, or C, substitute, F sharp, la, A, substitute, E flat, then we go to re, that is D, A substitute, G sharp, then we go to so, it's substitute, C sharp, back to do. So when we are adding the chord, then we move to la, A30, E flat, we add the E flat note to the same chord, then we move to re, that is D minor major 7th, then we go to G sharp 13th, so then we go to G 13th, or sometimes we can play even G 7th here, then we back to C sharp minor major 7th. You see, la, re, so, do, la, re, so, do, substitute, la, substitute, re, substitute, so, substitute, do. same thing. We move to F sharp, do, but we are playing C. It's like we are playing C. The same thing, do, la. But here, if you use it for C, it means you have played the substitute first instead of playing the leading nose. It has become substitute, do, substitute, la. You see, you play the substitute first. So, but if you want to play the leading nose first, it will be do. You see, do, la, re, so, do. It has become do, la, re, so, do, la, re, so. So let's point the leading nose together. Do. You see, it conforms with this chord. Do. We go to la here. It conforms with the minor major 7. Then re. You see, conforms with the 13th. Then so conforms with the minor major 7th chord. So it will be that is do, la, re, so. So let's play together with the substitute. You see, so the chords has turned upside down, so it has become. So when we are playing up. Or we come here, we come to this, instead of starting at C here with the major 7th chord, we may move here to the same C but with 13 first. So let's go. We play the substitute first. So that is the use of the minor major 7th chords. I've only named 2 chords, that's 13th chord and minor major 7th chords. So it's better to take these 2 chords seriously and understand the concept of 13th minor major 7th, these 2 chords, and understand the concept of tritone. What does tritone means? Tritone means here. That's do, re, mi, fi. That's it. So we have the fi here. The same way, it's not only C we can play the same. You can play it. You can move to F, E flat. So if you are moved, if we want to go to E flat. So it's better to understand your guitar board. We can move to F. So you see F, we move here. It has become F. So if we are playing F, here we have F. This is the tritone. Tritone has become B. So we can move here and play the same thing as we did. Like we are playing the F here. But here we've moved to the major. So the tritone chord substitution, this is with understanding. So it's not playing it in hurry or like. It's not a matter of playing like this, no, but it's how you understand, because you are playing with a concept. Maybe so you have to understand your concept. See, this doesn't involve in playing anything, but you can move along. See, that's the 1-5 concept. So then we move to so. So it depends on the concept that we are playing, that will allow you to flow through the board or doing your own thing. So don't be in a hurry learning. Just practice more on the concept. The chord formation is one of the basic problems that you have in the learning of substitution. So you have to understand well the chord. I say is minor, major, 7th chord and 13th chord. So just learn only these 2 chords for me. If you finish learning it, you can see you can move across the whole board. Depends on where you know where the C, F sharp and other chords are. You just move your hands there. So it's very easy. So thanks for joining me in this lesson. We shall meet very soon for other lessons. Don't forget to like the video, share for others to join us. Thank you very much.